Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I have a pile of dies. How many AliExpress die hauls have you guys been watching? I've been watching them too, but I got my set, so let's get started. Let's look. Halloween and more. Yay! Alrighty. First up, let's start off with my Halloween pile because there's Halloween dies and some awesome ones, and I love Halloween. There's also some cute Christmas dies. They're slowly coming in because I did order some. And just gotta wait, you know, KS Craft, KLJUIP, all the biggies are selling some awesome dies. All right, let me put this over to the side. Let's start off with the bottle. I think I showed you guys this, the big one. Well, I went back and I got the small one. It's just too cute, too cute. This is 4 1/4 inch tall by 2 3/8 inch wide, and yes, makes a shaker. Love that. So you see how this is the outside of a shaker, which includes that stitch detail, then what cuts the inside to give you the outline. This little strip right here. Then here's a label and a skull designed by Nicole Silhouette. Yep, as always. This is a cauldron set. Bubble, toil and trouble. I love these type of things. And I love it especially when it doesn't have a heavy price tag. 2 inches by 2 3/4 inch. Cute. Again, shaker. There's your outline. Here's your piece for the top of the shaker. There's the bubbles. It has a little fish. I guess that's the vapor, the green vapor. And more bubbles. Okay, I'm not going to open it because I don't want to misplace all my dies. Next, we have the Halloween, which this is actually like Halloween and also pumpkin fall. Let's look at this one. And of course, my bag tour. Yes. Alrighty, so this set, again, shaker. That's for your top of your shaker. And for the foam, this is the outline, the back. This is, call it almost 3 3/4 inch tall by 4 1/8. You're almost 10 centimeters. Let me move this out the way before it blinds you. That's super cute. Thankful is 3 3/8 inch long, about an inch tall, cute. And it has a shadow too, so you can use this beyond this set. There's some nice leaves. I think that's ivy, and oh, look at the pumpkin. So you can, the Halloween pumpkin face. So you can drop him here and go plain, or you can drop it on top of this too, actually. Yeah, you can. Thank you. That's cute too. Thank you and thankful. This is really nice. Really nice. Head on over to Nicole Silhouette. She designed that as well. She's having a huge giveaway. Subscribe to her channel anyway. She does videos, she has lives, all kinds of great stuff. This is a ghost, and she made this with the trick or treat on the side. Super cute. So this is a set with a ghost. It's like, yeah, like Casper. That looks like Casper. The face can go here. So the ghost can either be this style or this style, where he's like floating, or this style where he's more grounded. And both of them come with trick or treat. And I believe it was both set for one price, which is not bad. Let's do a measurement. And I believe she said this could be for a bag topper. Kids are going back to school now, you know, put this on their bag for their class, have them help you die cut it out. You guys do this in fun colors. That would be a nice project with your kids to make for Halloween treats. 4 3/4 inch wide by 3 1/4 inch tall. Super cute. Or if you're having just some kids come over your house for a little Halloween thing, this is a great set. Next up, this ghost. Oh, I love this little ghost, the boo ghost, and with the little trick-or-treat bag. Let's look at it. 2 inches tall by about 1 1/8 wide. Again, 2 inches tall, almost 2 inches wide. Super cute. So this has a nice Not too big, not too small. Like, I would have loved this actually, this size and then bigger. That's just me, you know. I always think mini albums, and when you do mini albums and you use dies in mini albums, you want them to be a bigger size as well. More along the 3.5 to 4 inch size. These are words. Let's go with the biggest one. Spooky. This is 3¼ inch wide by, call it 2¼ inch tall. So we have spooky, ghoul, eek, and scary. Love, 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 love. Let me say it again. Love comes with the outline too. Love. This is why I said girl ghost and boy ghost. So this is a same take on this set, just without the word attached to it. You see it? So this one comes with, it's the ghost here, this ghost, same size, without the title attached. And then this one, so technically, yeah, you could layer. So, yeah, alrighty. Well, I'm linking everything anyway, so if you got this set and your feeling is too flat, layer this on top of it as a shaker. See how it comes with that outline? That's shaker material right there. Layer this as a shaker on top of this. Ooh, and then put on the hat and the this and the that. And here's the hat and here's the hat. And then this one here. So they do work together. Oh, that's nice. I believe this is 2 different sellers actually. But same size. Loving that. So you have options with these 2 sets together. 3¾ by, yeah, 2¾ inch. I already told you the measurement. Well, I told you this wide, so I'm giving you that now. This is 3⅛ inch tall by 2 7/8. Call it 3 inches wide. But now I'm loving this even more that it has options. Oh yes, and you know, you don't have to use the die face. If you have some of these face stamps like Peachy Keen or something, stamp that in here too. That'll work, that'll work. Okay, definitely we'll put these 2 together. I'll put it as bag topper ghost and then ghost friend. Ooh, and we had another piece, trick or treat by itself. Ha, can layer that too. Oh, options, options. So this is like 2 inches by 2.5 wide. Now you see all these little bits? Those things drive me crazy. I need my little die nipper to break those off. That stuff will stick me and I don't like it. All right, let me go into the boo. This now is the boo bag topper. Love. 5¼ inch tall by 4.5. And then now when you fold it, you're looking at 2¾ inch tall in half, and you make the word boo. So again, I'm coming back. This is 3rd time now, guys. DIY art bin bows. Please get them. I just love it. And then I saw a video, Mommy Loves Gigi, and she talked about it, and I was like, all right, I'm going to stress this little bow set. If you need a bow set, this is the one to get because it's super cute, because people are buying it up and they may not restock it. That's why I keep like, you know, if you want a bow set, you never know. That's a good accent piece and it's a good size. Yeah, DIY art bin. This now, so that's it for my Halloween. And this now is just general after the bows. This I had in my cart at Ali for the longest time. So this is like floral words. Flourish, shine, bloom, spring, grow. Spring, yeah, that's how long I've had it in my cart. 3¼ inch wide by 1¼ inch tall. Super duper duper cute. Again with the shadow. Smaller footprint, not as wide. Still like it. Also, this is a new company to me, Panalisa. All right, as you can tell, I saw the picture and bought it. I obviously didn't look at the sizing because normally I look at the sizing and then I like to pull out my little ruler here and I like to go, oh, that's only, when they say 6 centimeters, it's only here, 2 3/8 inch. No, this is ridiculous. This is so small. I mean, I'll use it, but this actually works better, but this is just I don't even know what I'm doing with that. And the clouds, this is like if I'm working on a card that is 4x4, actually. Super duper small. I was a little disappointed by how tiny that is. Panalisa. And then also from them, I got this cake set. It comes, oh, I don't have it. When I make it up, I'll tell you, but I'll give you what the base is. 1 inch, 1x1. The cake here, call it almost an inch or little under an inch by 1 3/4. And then you do cake, and there's the top. There is a little, I can't think, the plate. I'm just so shocked by how small this was. I can't think. But it's a little cake set. And what does this say? Wonderful. There's a little present. So I guess that goes with this. Well, you guys know I love a present. And I like how they gave me a sticker to let me know that this is them, the company. Panalisa, Panalisa. And then this now, love this. This is a bigger set to this little mini set. So here is a cake stand. So that makes the cake stand. And this one now measures almost 2 inches tall by 3 1/8 of an inch wide. So call it 3 inches wide. I don't want to keep giving you guys 1/8 of an inch because that may just throw you like, what is she saying? 2 3/4 inches tall by, call it 3 inches wide. It's 3 1/8, but I'll call it 3. Then the donuts. Oh, those donuts got me. The donut got me. The donut got me. 1 3/4 inch wide by 3/4 of an inch. And then you have the tops for the donuts. Super cute picture. Look at the example. That's another one that I'll be screenshotting just to keep my idea straight. Then I had to get the whale shaker. There is an example on, I believe this is KS Craft. The whale in blue glitter. Oh yes, super pretty. Super, super, super pretty. 3 1/2 inches wide by 3 inch tall. Cute. That's your shaker bit. This is the back. Cut this out, I believe, and then this tops it. This goes on top of this. And so this is a nice little comprehensive set. Then the spout, you can put a little nip here and then do the spout a different color. I believe in the example it's all one, but I would just cut here and then change that up just to have a different color to look like water. But super duper adorable. Super duper adorable. There you go. And then last, it's a seller I don't know. So I'll tell you that. I will link it below. 6 inches wide. Love. Yeah, 6 inches wide. It's a circle pretty much. So the tallest is 6 and it comes down into 3/4 of an inch. I believe this wasn't a bad price point and I thought it would have been, normally this type of set I would get it this size. But this, that's nice and big. And because you have the 2 here, yes, you can make shakers all the way in. Love that. Love this, love this, love this. It's like that floral petal look. Alrighty, crafters. So until the next video, that's it. Expect to see my examples soon because, you know, I'm getting in the Halloween spirit. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.